This is the first page of your speech ballot packet. This page is the official tabulation ballot where you will rank the students. Attached to this page is a set of student ballots, one for each student, where you will give individual comments and feedback. Those are accessible by this pencil. Click on the pencil and it opens up an individual speech ballot. At the top you'll see a link for event information. If you click on that, you'll find the rules for the event that you're judging. Below that, on limited prep ballots, you'll find a link for round information. If you click that, you'll see the topics for the round that you're judging. Any field that is in red is a required field and must be completed before the ballot is finished. To make changes to the ballot, you have to click this button, Edit. Prior to that, nothing can be edited. Click Edit, and now you can make changes. The stars down here for each criterion default to 3 when you open the ballot. Just click them to change those ratings as you'd like. You can type comments, and each of these fields will expand, so you can type as many comments as you like. Any penalties will be entered here, and then they will auto-populate on the tabulation ballot. And down here, your reason for ranking requires a minimum of 100 characters. It will remain red until you've typed at least 100 characters. And again, you can type as much as you like in this field, and it will auto-expand. Final ranking you do not put on this ballot. You're actually going to rank the students on the tabulation ballot, and then it will auto-populate this field here on the student ballots. You have to push Save Ballot to save all of the content that you've typed in. It's important to note that it does not auto-save. If you leave this ballot or close the window for any reason before you save, you will have lost everything you've typed. After you have completed each of the student ballots, come back here to the tabulation ballot to complete this page. Again, anything in red is a required field. And to edit this, you have to first click Edit Ballot. So I've filled in all of the topics. The last thing I need to do is rank the students. You can see that any penalties have auto-populated from the student ballots that I've already completed. So I just enter the rankings that I'd like. And as you can see, it won't let me make a mistake. I've tried to enter 4 twice, so I have to correct that. As soon as you have a green check mark next to each of the ballots, you know that your ballot is complete. Again, you have to save. And now you have the option to complete the ballot. Please note that once you hit complete, you are not able to make any further edits to the ballot, but they can help you in ballot return. After you hit complete, all speech judges still need to go back to ballot return. You'll find a link to that on Judge Central on the tournament website. Thank you for judging.